Hey, see my tiger nuts and date powder. See my tiger nuts powder. Hello treasures, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making tiger nuts. We're going to be making powdered milk with these tiger nuts. So we're making tiger nuts powdered milk. Yeah, just like we make soybean powder milk. They're going to be making tiger nuts powder. So I'm just selecting out the bad ones in this. After this, I'm going to be washing it. I'll take it to my sink and wash. After washing, I'll leave it in this sea so that water can drop before sending it to the sun to dry. Interesting. I'm also going to add it to date. So I've got the date I'm going to use here. All I would like is to black and the seed. This date is soft. I just remove the seed. The date is soft one. You can see that it's very soft, and I can open with my hand. I also have the dates. I'll be adding it little ginger, so I'll spread the ginger here to dry. So I'll take all of them out to the sun. Here's the dates. Sorry about this reflection of light. So I've done this for about 2 hours now. I'm going to allow it to cool a bit before we now grind. You can see that it's dried. I'll leave it here to cool. This one is also dried. Now I want to toast it a bit. I will go and blow off this dust to here. So I'll pour it back into the plate and allow it to cool there. Allow it to cool before blending. And here I have my tiger nut milk powder. Look at it, very smooth and nice. You can sieve your own if it didn't come out smooth, but I love the texture of this one. It's okay for me. The next thing I'll do is to leave it here to cool down before I will now transfer into an airtight container. You can enjoy this with your custard, pap, or oat porridge. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give us a like. Please like the video and also share it. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.